Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. We are going through a series of videos titled as Momentum Stocks. This is the 7th video in this series. Last week there was a lot of fluctuations in the market. I don't know whether it is due to this or what, but this week we got just two stocks qualifying our filters. But remember, the two stocks qualified our filters are VST Tillers Tractors Limited and FIAM Industries Limited. We will just go through these two stocks, not just the charts, but a little look at the business profile and the financials also, because normally we used to have as many as 7, 8, sometimes 12 stocks. But this time, as we had just two stocks, we will go through more details about these stocks. The first stock is VST Tillers Tractors Limited. They are mainly into the tractor and the tillers business, used mostly in the agricultural sector. If you see, they have a very good product line. If you go to the power tillers, they have 4 models. Nowadays, agriculture is the sector where we are always having improvement day by day. We have tractors, so number of models available in tractor segment also. Then we have transplanter, rice paddy transplanter. There are 4 models, it seems. Okay. Power reaper. Okay. Then we have rotary tillers. I think 3 models. So mainly they are this is the overall overview of their business. Helps save labor, water, time and fuel. So this is a evergreen sector. And nowadays what happens is a lot of talks about the integrated cultivation, and many times we are coming across stories where high profile jobbers earning millionaires, they are also quitting their job and turning towards villages and going for agriculture in a big way. So in the days to come, this trend may increase, because ultimately it is the produce from the agriculture that each one of us has to consume. So it is a evergreen sector, and the products related to the agriculture is bound to get very good market in the days to come. Continue to enjoy the high market in the demand in the days to come. If you go through to the financials, the quick look, return on capital employed 19.5%, return on equity 14.6%, and debt to equity is 0, which is very good. Always when the debt to equity for the manufacturing companies are very less, it is very good for the company to prosper in the days to come. So all-time high is 2728. It is almost nearer to the all-time high. Book value is 773. And only Escorts is the other player in this sector, tractor sector related to agriculture. These products, Escorts and peer comparison, we are having a look at these two only. Escort is a market leader by the market capitalization, definitely. But sometimes what happen, established market leader may be able to, already they have grown, and their growth from investors point of view may be limited, whereas a small player is having a scope to grow further, and the price appreciation may be still better. So if you go through the quarterly result, there is good figures, I can say, because in the quarterly figures June 21 we have to compare with June 20, it is more. March 21 with March 20, it is more. December 20 with December, okay, this has not come. Last 4 quarters you see, December 20 we have to compare with December 19, it is more. September 20, it is more than September 19. So last 4 quarters compared to their previous corresponding quarters, the figures are better. That means they are performing very nicely. And OPM, operating profit margin, it was 17% in 2020 September 15. March it has reduced, but again now it started picking up in June. So we can expect September used to be the peak performance as per the past data. So we may expect the in the further quarters the figures may improve further. Profit before tax is highest in this quarter. Net profit is also, it is not highest of course, but as per our comparison with the previous corresponding quarter, definitely it is highest, because instead of 10, 4, negative 6 and 21, now it is 41, 40, 18 and 31, which is definitely good improvement. This is the annual sales figure. From 345 it has gone steadily up, and yes, there is some drop in March 2020. Everybody knows the reason for the same. Then again it started picking up. Last 12 months trailing figure is encouraging. It is highest in fact available in this vicinity. Operating profit is also, now it has gone to the very good level. The trailing figure is very good. So it is picking up. Profit before tax, it is also compared to previous year ending, it is very good improvement is there. Net profit also 18 crores in March 2020, 91 crores in March 21. So it is very good to see these figures. So reserves also there is a steady increase. It is a low share capital company with just 9 crores share capital. The reserves are 118 in 2010, and now it is as high as 659 crores. Steady increase is there in reserves. Borrowings is nil as of now. So it seems good. The figures seems good. Coming to the promoters, yeah, promoter holding is also 54.77 healthy. FII holding slightly reduced, which might have been picked up by DIS, because almost the equal amount increase is there in the DIS. Public shareholding is 26.37. So here FII also invested, even though they reduced a little here. In fact, they increased compared to previous years, they increased and now slightly reduced. Maybe they might have got a better opportunity somewhere else. So they always do go for sectoral rotation. So they will do these things, selling and buying. Promptly it has been picked up by domestic institutions, which means the interest in the stock is intact. We'll go to the chart now. VST Tillers weekly chart. Immediately drawing our attention is the high volume here, and precisely this is the reason why we are discussing this in this video. So very good green candle with a high volume is visible in current week, in spite of the market dilemma and some fluctuations in the market. So now what will be the immediate target? Because naturally because there is a very good high wide range green candle, we may expect some profit booking and some retracement, which may offer very good opportunity for new entrants to enter. One support level which immediately visible may be taken somewhere in this level. Earlier it was a resistance, so that level may act as a support now. That is one possibility. Otherwise next level may be somewhere here in this zone. I will draw a line there also, approximately. So whenever one line is drawn, that zone taking the adjacent levels also has to be considered. This already I told you. And what could be the immediate target once it retraces and confirm the support, get the support, establish the support, and again if it starts going up again, One more possibility also I will show. Here this was the earlier high, so it may go up to the earlier high to shake out, because this was the earlier high, now it has gone up. It may go and just test this earlier high, and weak hands may be shut out. That is one possibility. Anyhow, now the immediate target may be taken as the previous all-time high, which is around 3,100. Okay, 3,100 level approximately. So this is a buy on dips definitely for us to concentrate. So let us go to the next stock in the list, that is FIAM Industries Limited. So we will go through the company products first. So they are into automatic lighting business. So we can have a look at this. Not only for automobiles, even for interiors and all, indoor LED, outdoor also. So they are into the lighting business, we can say. Light up the world, that is the catch line for them. Even these indicators, all these things, okay. So this may be giving good idea about their product line. If we go through the other things, we will just have a look. So FIAM Industries, we will just have a look at the group companies and collaborations. Okay, they have Japan. This is in Japan. Okay, Italy. So it is having presence in I think in overview we may be able to see that. So they are having presence in multiple countries. What awards and recognition, just we will have a look. Delivery management. So main customer for this company is the automobile sector players, Honda, yes, Yamaha Motor, Suzuki, Hyundai, Honda, Yamaha. So all these are from the clients, and even this Harley Davidson is also there. So this is a company having the product line with presence in more than one country. Their companies are available in the countries apart from India, at Italy also, Japan also, Hong Kong, I think. So this is local, what are all the facilities available, that is shown here. Okay, so this gives one fair idea about their product line, and definitely the product line will be definitely having good market in the days to come, because now the pandemic related issues are solved one by one, the vaccination is covered by many. So if the economy returns to normal, definitely we will be having this demand for these products to go up. They have wide range of, see 83 pages are there, we cannot go through all the 83 pages. So their product, we are able to have some good idea about this going through. We will go to the financials. Return on capital employed 12.6, return on equity 8.95, book value 433, all time 52-week high is 1039, present price is 977, debt to equity is 0.08. It is a very good thing. So sales figure, if we see, there is a reduction in 2020. Definitely this is due to pandemic. Again now it has started picking up slowly. So if we compare the June with the earlier June quarter, from 67 to 275, from 322 to 421, from 325 to 358, from 372 to 374. So it is marginal increase and a very good improvement if we compare the June quarter. So in the days to come, definitely better figures will be visible. This operating profit is also, it was negative only in June 20. It has been catching up. It is catching up with this performance, and definitely we can expect better days in the days to come. Better figures in the days to come. So sales, if you see 295, okay, it is steadily increasing. Trailing figure is the highest here. Operating profit is also increasing steadily. Okay, interest outgo is somewhat, because 0.08% they are having some interest outgo is there. They may reduce at appropriate time. Profit before tax is also healthy. We can say net profit is also healthy. Reserves from 98 crore in 2010, steadily it has increased to 556 in 2021. Borrowings, now they have reduced. You see, the borrowing was as high as 225 crores in March 2017. After that, they steadily decreased it, and now as of March 2021, they have only 46 crores. And this can be closed any time, because they are having a good resource and their what money is available. So this seems to be good. The performance seems to be good. Promoter holding, slight increase if you see from 2018, it is a good sign. FII is increasing their shareholding, the latest figure as per the, I don't know why the DIAs are not yet interested in this company, but otherwise in public 24, that 2.15 is from one entity, listed entity. So now FIA presence is there, but DIA's presence is not there. It was there, but now they have not. They may be waiting for some more confirmation here. Let us go to the chart and have a look. These figures overall seems to be nice. We will go to the chart and see what the chart is telling us about this. Weekly chart of FAME Industries. So it is very clearly visible, very high volume green candle in this current week. So now it has started some retracement that may be confirmed if we go to the daily chart. Yeah, it was a gap up opening here, and it is just trying to retrace. It may fill the gap also, that possibility is there. Even though there is no guarantee, but there is always the possibility that the gap may get filled also. If the market is down, sentiment is down, the gap filling may be immediate. Otherwise, it may take more time. But there is always there is a opinion that the gaps always will be filled. But there is another set of people who says that it is not like that. So we cannot rely on that to decide. Otherwise, also if you see, we can safely add this to buy on dips, because the immediate support is somewhere here, because it has broken this after a long time. It was a resistance earlier, then became support, then it went down. It consolidated very nicely in this line, and then it appears with a very good high volume. So this may be taken as a good support, this range near this line. And immediate target, we may take the previous high, which is 1511 somewhere. Minor resistance may be at this level also. Approximately at this level, minor resistance may come, because some consolidation took place earlier also, but it went down at that time. Now similar pattern may form here, and then it may break out and go to test. Those with patience may keep this in add-on dips list. That is what the chart is telling us. Hope this video may be of some help to you. Let us meet again with similar interesting videos in the days to come. Till then, bye.